I just want to show you what comes with these wireless earphones right here. I got these as a gift for a review, and I just want to show you here that it comes with this manual. And once you open it, you're going to see the case right here, and it's going to show you the percentage when it's charging left or right side. You see the 96% right here. And the two headphones here, this case charges them once you put them in there. And as you can see, I really like the design on this. And this is part of a speaker right here, and then the other one is inside here, and there's another speaker right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I like the design, how it looks. And it has a sensor right here that you touch if you hold it. It'll turn off. There you go, it turns off. And then you can hold it again. You can turn it back on, and you can tap it once or twice to skip a song, to raise the volume or lower the volume, which is pretty cool. You don't have to, get it back on your phone or on your laptop or whatever it is that you're going to use them for. And it does come with a charger here, as you can see, with a cable. And it also comes with extra ear tips. They have larger size and smaller size, which is really good, because some people have different ears. Some people have bigger ears, so smaller ears. But I really like the design on these, and the tips feel, relatively soft for your ears, comfortable, so that way you can wear them, for a long time without them bothering your ear.